In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to save AutoCAD drawing in PDF format. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to properly save and export any AutoCAD project or drawing that you've made in the PDF format. So as you can see, I have a bunch of lines and circles that I threw around just to demonstrate this, but of course it is going to work for any drawing that you make inside of AutoCAD. It's going to work for any version, but for this video I'm going to be using AutoCAD 2024, so keep that in mind. If you want to reproduce these steps, this is the version that I'm running. Now, what you have to do is click these three lines at the bottom left corner of the screen, and through here you can select all the layouts, drawings, projects, whatever that you want to save in the PDF format. I'm gonna select the model, layout, and layout 2. What you have to do afterwards, after selecting everything that you want to export, is to click this option, Publish Selected Layouts. In here is where you can select the option to publish to PDF. So this is the most important step to save your AutoCAD drawing in PDF format. Make sure you select PDF from this drop-down menu. After you select PDF, you will have access to more options over here, so go to Publish Options. And in this video, I'm not gonna mess too much with these, but you can go ahead and adjust them to your own preferences. Afterwards, you can see everything that you selected over here, double check everything. And like I said, I'm only going to be doing this video as a quick tutorial on how to save in the PDF format, but you should take your time and carefully browse through all of these if you wish to alter anything. Once you are satisfied with everything selected, after you select Publish to PDF, click Publish at the bottom and choose where you want to save this file. I already went ahead and saved it, so I'm just going to demonstrate this by opening up this PDF file. Once you click Publish, it is going to go into the queue. Once you see the published details, just open the folder where you saved the archive or the document, the drawing, and you will be able to open it as a usual PDF file. So as you can see, all the lines, circles, and everything that I made on the AutoCAD file appear over here in the PDF. All the layouts that I selected and the model will be present here. I hope I was able to help you on how to save AutoCAD file in PDF format. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.